Esse aí sou eu. Dá pra notar que eu tenho que dar um jeito na minha vida.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And how I know this where the story begins. First you take a ride, then you start ignoring your friends. Then we mess around, maxing out my bank account, getting in the bed again, resting on the weatherman. Yeah, I could fall asleep, then before you know it's the end. Got me holding on to anything, just trying to stay awake. See my friends, they don't love me, they just trying to elevate. Took a long drive, going fast on the interstate. I be on my own, it don't matter anyway. Yeah, I'm just trying to spend some time going on, hoping it won't end this time like the last one. You can always find me, yeah, so come on. Even on my mind, your smile on my cell phone. Surely you don't mind me in the morning. You the only one who tried to know me. Just imagine if we make it to the OT. You can call me anytime you're feeling lonely. I'll tell you how I know this where the story begins. First you take a ride, then you start ignoring your friends. Then we mess around, maxing out my bank account, getting in the bed again, resting on the weatherman. Yeah, lose my mind, I'm slowly drifting to the side. I tell myself that it don't matter to me. I just wanna run it back, see you wanna crash, I just wanna keep it like that, yeah. I wish you could stay, but I could tell the story, waiting on the day that you'll be moving on without a warning. Surely you don't mind me in the morning, you're the only one who tried to know me. Just imagine if we make it to the OT. You can call me anytime you're feeling lonely. Tell you how I know this, where the story begins. First we take a ride, then you start ignoring your friends. Now we mess around, maxing out my bank account, getting in the bed again, resting on the weatherman. Yeah, I could fall asleep, then before you know it's the end.
See, it started at the park, used to chill after dark. Ooh, when you took my heart, that's when we fell apart. Cause we both know that love lasts forever. They say we're too young to get ourselves sprung. Oh, we didn't care, we made it very clear. And they also said that we couldn't last together. You're way too beautiful, girl. That's why it'll never work. You had me suicidal, suicidal. When you say it's over, dang, all these beautiful girls, they only wanna do you dirt. They'll have you suicidal, suicidal. When they say it's over, see, it's very divine. You're one of a kind, but you must shut my mind. You have to get declined. Oh Lord, my baby's driving me crazy. It was back in '99, watching movies all the time. Oh, when I went away for doing my first crime, and I never thought that we was gonna see each other. And then I came out, mommy moved me down south. Oh, when I'm with my girl who I thought was my world, it came out to be that she wasn't the girl for me. You're way too beautiful, girl.